Hey everybody, it's Ryan. I'm going to give you a quick overview and tutorial of this tabletop ethanol burner, this flame burner. This company provided this to me, but in no way it's going to affect my review. I'm just here to give you a tutorial. So this is what it looks like illuminated, lit up. Kind of give you some quick specs on it. It is 15 inches long, right at 7 and almost 7.5 inches this depth, and then total height on it is about 7.5 inches. Kind of give you an idea spec wise. It does not come with any ethanol. You got to find bioethanol, and the way the reservoir is set up, it is going to run about 2 hours. Now what you get is this. It's all assembled. It's packaged very nicely. It's packaged in a way because this is all glass. These are glass inserts. These slide out for storage if needed. It comes with not one, but two of these wicks. There's one in there right now. The runtime when this is filled to the max level is about 2 hours. It does come with two of these, you can call little marshmallow skewers. They extend out like this. So if you're wanting to cook some old marshmallows on it, you definitely can do that. It also comes with a extinguisher. Literally all you do is just hold it over the flame and then you put it out. And this is like a powder coated steel of some sort. So that makes it nice and easy to use. Very cool. Has sort of a modern-esque type design to it. The way these are set up, there's no smell, there's no fumes, there's nothing because of the fuel that's used. It also comes with a funnel that makes it nice and neat. So when you are filling this up, to make it easy, you could take one of the glass pieces out, put the funnel right over it, pour it in nice and neat, and then kind of put that up for storage. All in all, a very cool centerpiece, you can call it, for an indoor tabletop. I guess you could use it outdoor as well. And the glass actually serves as sort of a windbreak. So if it was outside or people are talking like this, the glass kind of serves two purposes. One, preventing your hands from getting where the heat is, also from a breeze or breath, or even if it was outdoors, going to kind of make sure it stays lit. Hopefully any and all your questions got answered about this very cool tabletop flame, and we'll talk to you soon.